Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Amratsari Biryani. For this here I have taken rice 250 grams and I have soaked the rice for few hours. 250 grams of chicken, 3 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 medium size of onion finely chopped, a pinch of yellow color dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water, a pinch of saffron dissolved in 2 tablespoons of milk, green chilies 2 to 3, coriander leaves a handful, 1/4 cup of yogurt, fried onion 1 medium onion fried, salt to taste, ginger powder ½ teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder ½ teaspoon, coriander powder 1 heaped teaspoon. I am using ginger and garlic powder, but if you want you can add in ginger and garlic paste also. And here I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms and 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Now here in the pan I have added ½ cup of oil, and in the oil I will add onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry the onion till it is translucent. Now onion is translucent. See, it has not changed the color. Now I am adding in whole spices: cinnamon, cardamoms, black peppercorns, cloves and cumin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let this garam masala fry with onion just for a minute. And now after a minute, now I am adding in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tomatoes, all the spices along with ginger and garlic. If you are using ginger and garlic paste, then add the ginger and garlic paste at this stage, and green chilies. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will cook this till chicken changes its color, tomatoes are tender and mashed. Now here this chicken is cooking and I have not added any water. Chicken and tomatoes, they have released their own moisture. And now in this other pan I have added sufficient water. I am just waiting for the water to get rapidly boil, and then I will boil the rice in this water. Now here tomatoes are completely mashed. There is a moisture, but at this stage I am adding in yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And after adding yogurt, I will cook this till chicken is completely cooked and gravy slightly thickens. Now here I have boiled the rice only with salt, no other spices. Now in the pan I will add half of the rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here this masala is ready. Now over the rice, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I will add this chicken masala. Half of the rice I have added in the pan. Now over the rice I will add the chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, along with the thick gravy. Now here I have added the chicken, and now I will cover this chicken with the remaining rice. Now here I have covered the chicken with the remaining rice, and now on the rice I will add fried onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Coriander leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yellow color. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And saffron. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this covered on very low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this very scrumptious Amratsari biryani is just lightly fluff up the rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very delicious and scrumptious Amritsari biryani is ready to be served. You can serve this biryani with yogurt dip, salad, fried potatoes, as I have not added potatoes. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.